Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. Well, yeah, I have been out here working on this wonderful mud box behind me here. The guy that built it put some baffles in it here. Wrong place, wrong size, the door in the middle basically, so everything about it was wrong. So I had to arc air those guys out of there and work on this guy. So basically he didn't finish welding out this front, the front of the box here. So yeah, I've been working on that guy here, and I kind of wanted to play with my Maxstar here, running some 6010s, and I didn't really have much expectation for it. I started out with some 332s, and I was like, man, this is taking forever. So I'm gonna try cranking it all the way up and running some 1/8 inch, and it runs 1/8 inch 6010s really well. Let me show you. It's got a 6010 setting here specifically for 6010s. Now I have not tried running 7018s on this guy of any use yet, but it locks out when you're on 110 volts at 90 amps. And I gotta say, I am impressed. I went along here. I had a pretty big gap in a couple places and did some Texas TIG there, where you use one rod in the stinger and one as a piece of filler wire like you would with TIG. But yeah, I mean, it's not great. It's no SA200, but for running off 110 volts, I'm pretty damn impressed. I'm gonna put the camera down here and let you see this guy in action. Alright, we're going to do this in one take here, because I know people are going to go, oh yeah, no, you did that with your red face. But yeah, I mean, it's not the best welder I've ever used, but considering that's off 110 volts, right here, 1/8 inch 6010s. See if we can focus here. Come on. You can do it. Come on, camera. Right there, 5P pluses. I would totally weld pipe with this guy and not even think about it. That is kind of a game changer for the work I do, where a lot of times I go in buildings and do stuff. If I don't have to drag leads in, all I have to do is take that guy along with me, 13 pounds. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Hope you enjoyed. And have some more videos up here soon. I've just kind of been under the weather this week and just felt like crap, and this is kind of the first day I've been able to get out and actually do anything. So anyway, yeah, we gotta do this mud box here, and then over on my other tractor over there we got a mud pump we gotta build a frame for and hook a hydraulic motor up to. So anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.